Okay, so we're going to look at some money problems now. A really common question in National 5. So James bought a new laptop. He decides to pay it off over a period of 12 months. Laptop was worth £780. If he pays £75.50 a month, how much more the price of the laptop will he pay? Okay, so I've just underlined the sort of key parts to it. First thing I'm going to do is find out how much that 12 months is going to cost. So I'm going to do £12.50. I'm going to times it by 2 first. Okay, going to break that 12 months into 2 months and 10 months. So times it by 2 gives us 151. So once we've got 151, what we can do is get 10 months just by times and £75.50 by 10, which gives me 755. So then what I've got to do is add the £755 to the £151. Okay, so doing that gives me £906. So that's how much money he's paid in total. So in order to work out how much more he's paid, I'm going to have to take away 780 from 906. So when I do that, I've got 126. Then what you've got to do in National 5 apps is you've got to just communicate with the marker and what that answer actually means. So just write a little sentence, a little statement, just to say that he's going to spend an extra £126 at the end of it. Okay. Okay, so our second question, Katrina decides to buy a new TV with the following plan. She's got a deposit of £92.80. She's going to pay 8 monthly payments and a final payment of £104.30. If she paid £633.10 total, how much are each of the monthly payments? So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to add up that deposit and that final payment. So that's going to give me all the money that she's paid apart from the 8 monthly payments. Okay, so once I've added that together, it's going to give me £197.10. So in order to work out how much those 8 monthly payments are altogether, you take that £197.10 away from £633.10. We need to make sure it should give you quite a nice number. Generally speaking, in apps, it's not going to give you something very difficult in terms of like numeracy based. So once you've done that, you get 436. So I'm then going to divide 436 by 8. And what that's going to do is just give me the value of each monthly payment on its own. Okay, because the 436 is all the money altogether. So divided by 8 is going to tell you what each individual monthly payment is worth. You'll notice that I've got to add on zeros just because there's been some remainder, but that's just going into pence, so that's okay. It shouldn't go any further than pence. So it gives me a final answer of £54.25.